Hi, and welcome to this breath meditation. So before we begin, we're just going to take a few moments here to find a comfortable position. So this might be at home, in your office, or even on your way to work. We're going to gently just arrive in this moment by taking a slow breath. So really gently inhaling and exhaling. Letting yourself settle into the moment, letting yourself find that comfortable seat wherever you might be. This meditation today will be working with the breath, so using the breath as our anchor into this moment. So whenever you're comfortable, just take a few moments to find that comfortable seated position and allow your eyes to close. Let yourself sink into the chair, sink into the earth a little bit deeper. Take a moment here to just close down any to-do lists, any tasks for the day. Just give thanks for taking this time out for yourself and your well-being. We're going to start to bring awareness inwards, so start off by anchoring into the body, noticing the points of contact between yourself and the earth, yourself and the chair. Letting yourself feel supported by that ground beneath you. And we're going to bring that focus inward even more, just to that movement of the breath. Just noticing the breath to begin with, not trying to change it, just notice where it might be at today. And maybe your breath is feeling quite short, maybe you've got those long deep breaths. Again, it's about noticing it with that kindness. When you're ready, we're going to really lengthen each breath. So we're going to place one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest. Use those points of contact to help you to connect to the breath and the movement of breath through the body. So as you inhale, you're going to feel the breath move through the belly and the chest. And as you exhale, feel your body relax. Good. Inhale, feel that breath move through the body. And exhaling out. Good. Keeping your hands where they are, we're going to slow that breath down. So inhaling for the count of 4. When you're ready, inhaling, 2, 3, 4. And long exhale, 2, 3, 4. Just take a few rounds like that, working with your own breath. Using that counting to begin with to help you create that rhythm. Again, if your mind wanders, that's completely okay. That's just what your mind does. Bring it back with that soft, loving kindness and anchor it into the breath. So allowing yourself to keep that connection to the breath. Just gently following each breath as it comes and goes. If you find yourself getting lost in thoughts quite often, you can gently count each breath. So inhale 1, exhale 2, all the way to 10, and then start again. Let each breath be your guide back to this moment. Slowly let the breath travel through your body. Imagine each breath in turn, so every inhale filling you up with energy, and exhale softening, relaxing the body down. Again, if your mind wanders off, just gently bring that awareness back and bring yourself back to that counting to help you anchor in. Take each breath as it comes. And we anchor into the breath because the breath is here and now. Every breath is unique and every breath is here in the present moment. Let each breath invite another layer of softness into the body. Inhaling and exhaling. As we start drawing towards the end of our practice, we're going to let that focus on the breath just gently go. We're going to start to expand that awareness to include the whole body. As you start to bring awareness back towards yourself in this moment, so maybe the points of contact between yourself and the ground or yourself and the chair. And then you start to bring your awareness into this moment. So noticing the space around you, and when you're ready, start to bring yourself into that space by gently wiggling your fingers and your toes, your ankles and your wrists. taking a moment here together. We're going to take a deep breath in and a long audible sigh out, just letting every last bit go. Nice, and then when you're ready, dropping your chin down towards your chest, letting the back of your neck lengthen. Pausing for a moment here before gently opening your eyes and lifting your gaze. Thanking yourself for taking this time out today, and thank you for joining me in the Royal Parks. If you'd like to carry on with another meditation, or if you want to jump straight into another practice, please follow one of the links and please subscribe for more meditation videos.